Make sure to stand till the end. For the brake light, you need to remove the tail light. If you don't do it right, you will damage your paint or break your tail light assembly. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 generation from year 2008 to year 2022 currently. If you need to remove or replace stop light, brake light bulb, it's out. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It's only one bulb, guys. If it goes out, it will not work anymore. You will have to remove the tail light. If you don't do it right, you will damage your paint or break your tail light. So make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain a trick about two hidden clips, two guides, and how to actually get the tail light out without damaging anything. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. This is the Fiat 500 Abarth we'll be demonstrating on, but even if you have non-Abarth version, it will be about the same procedure as well. What you need to do now, okay, we're going to demonstrate on the right side. Left side is practically identical. So we're going to open the trunk, okay, and once you open it, you will notice on the tail light you will have two screws right here with a 10mm, two bolts by the way, with 10mm socket. And when you remove those now, some people will pull to the side and you can damage your paint here, you can crack your light. You will have actually plastic rubber guides that you need to grab and pull straight out without twisting, guys. Don't twist because you damage the paint. Okay, one came out, I see it, let me show you. It's that thing right there, there is one more on the bottom. Okay, we're talking about this two right here, and sometimes they can be really stuck if you have dust and dirt stuck in it. In order to remove the tail light now, you can see right here that connector. Okay, let's push it in first, and we'll need to get a small screwdriver to actually pry this one up because it's pretty tight. So we can get a small plastic panel prying tool. Okay, I pry the thing up, don't pry too much because it will break. Okay, it is loose, but it's stuck because of the seal that prevents water and dust to get in the wires. I'm talking about that seal right here that you need to clean later, and the tail light came out just like that. So once you remove the tail light, now you use Torx 20 star looking bit. Right here we're going to go ahead and remove 4 screws. You will have a seal between the two elements, between the cap and the tail light, that prevents moisture and water getting inside. It's very important to install it correctly later and clean from dust and dirt, because otherwise you can build humidity, okay, and water inside the tail light, which can make it foggy and destroy. This is the tail light assembly. This is the seal right here. Make sure you push it in the canal and wipe it, not to have any dust here as well. So now the brake light bulb, guys, this is turn signal, reverse light, this is the brake light bulb and tail light bulb. How you remove it, I recommend to use gloves, not to break in your hands, but push down, turn about 30 degrees slowly, pull it out. This is the bulb right here. That's how you guys do it. Putting it together, practically in reverse order, we took it apart. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.